shots of all time, featuring some of the greatest players to ever grace the field. So, sit back and enjoy the video.
Oh, that's going to go all the way. Don't worry about that.
Have a look at this, the flourish on that shot to shot, or helicopter, whatever that is.
Boni is the ball. He's in the air. Peter trying to get underneath it.
Just... There you go.
What a shot! What was that? And it's been called a no ball. Oh no! You're just speaking about it, Vic. You spoke about he's got to try and finish the over of two balls to go, but no.
Well, that's helicoptered high and long, and there it goes. There's more than that, I think. What a shot! Whoosh!
Cutting into the night sky is 106 at his first Big Bash 50, and it could not come at a better time.
15 wickets.